Our advanced lightweight tiled roofing system is designed to replace a conservatory roof or to create a beautiful vaulted ceiling in a single-story extension. Watch this video to find out why our tiled roof is the solution preferred by 8 out of 10 homeowners. Being the lightest tiled roof available, the tiled roof will suit most existing conservatory frames without the need for additional support. If you're replacing your conservatory roof, the entire roof must be removed, ready for your new roof. The super strong beam can span up to 4 meters over bifolding doors, without the need for extra, often costly structural support. It is also wide enough to accommodate any out-of-square frames on the existing conservatory below. Next, the fully insulated, 100% pre-manufactured ridge and hips are fixed into place, providing strength and insulation just where you need it. The lightweight panels are dropped into place, insulating the roof to a building regulation compliant U value as low as 0.13. Full-length roof windows are then fixed into position, ensuring your new room is flooded with natural light where you need it, without the cost of expensive roof lights. Once all the panels are in place, the expandable Ultra panels grow to fill any gaps and prevent cold spots. The lightweight painted panels are clipped together to form a super strong I-beam structure throughout. Next, the timber board is lowered into place and fixed, followed by a breathable weatherproof membrane, which is laid to give your roof the ultimate protection against the elements. The roof has a unique starter strip that gives the tiles a real slate look, as well as providing ventilation holes to allow airflow and avoid any condensation. Beautifully authentic tiles are then fitted onto the roof. These lightweight tiles are available in a choice of 3 colors, and there is also the option to use real slates or tiles to match the roof of your house. Contemporary slimline aluminium ridge and hip cappings are then added to finish your roof in style. A decorative cornice can also be chosen to add shape and style to the roofline. Unlike other alternatives, the roof is the only tiled conservatory roofing system where the complete assembled structure has been fully fire tested. It achieved a compliant AC rating to give you peace of mind as to its safety. Inside, plasterboarding is very quick and easy, as there's no need to counterbatten before plastering and painting. Unlike other conservatory-based systems, our roof never needs a tie bar. This creates a fantastic vaulted ceiling, as well as providing lots of natural light through the large roof windows. An internal insulated pelmet creates a useful space to insert spotlights or speakers around the ceiling perimeter too. Once completed, the tiled roof creates a beautifully warm and airy space that will become one of the most widely used rooms in your home. It's very easy to see why a recent survey showed that 8 out of 10 homeowners prefer our roof over its competitors. So, if you're wanting to upgrade your existing conservatory or add a new usable living space to your home, ask about our tiled roofs today.